A nationwide shortage of the asthma drug Albuterol is likely to get worse. The supply's been tight since last fall, and now one of the major U.S. manufacturers has shut down as a part of bankruptcy proceedings. Emergency rooms are preparing to see more patients who cannot get those rescue inhalers. And the American College of Allergy, Asthma, and Immunology is advising patients to ask their doctors for alternatives and, if necessary, to use expired inhalers that might still be partially effective.
Wow. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't miss the Today Show every weekday at 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 Pacific on our streaming channel, Today All Day. To watch, head to today.com/allday or click the link right here.